Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Dropbox account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to log into your Dropbox account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and then search by click over there and type in dropbox.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Dropbox login like this and hit enter. And on the first result there is the login page of Dropbox itself. Click over there and you can see this is the direct login page of Dropbox, whereas this is the home page of Dropbox. To log into your Dropbox account from the home page, you can see the sign in option available at the top right corner of your screen. Click on sign in and you can see both of these pages are same. So let's close one of these. Now to log into your Dropbox account, enter your email address over here, and after that enter your password over here and click on sign in to your login to your Dropbox account. Or if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forgot your password to go through a procedure to reset your password or retrieve your password. Or if you want to log into your Dropbox account with your Google or your Apple ID, simply click on this Google or sign in with the Apple ID button over here, and you can see respective pages to log into Apple or Gmail over here appear. And if you log into your Gmail or your Google or your Apple ID from the respective pages over here, you will also be logged into your Dropbox with your Google or your Apple ID as well. And there, guys, this is how you log into your Dropbox account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.